Hey guys, let's fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to find out the Windows audio. Then simply right click on it, select properties, go to startup type and select automatic. Click on apply, then OK. We need to select it and click on restart the service. Once done, close this window, then go to the control panel. On this window we need to select the view by as large icons. If you selected category, then select large icons, then click on sound, and once we are here we need to select simply right click on it, select disable and try to enable it again. If this not work, select it and click on properties, then simply go to levels tab, set this up to the 100% and uncheck this option. If enable this one, then go to enhancements tab and we need to check this option, that is disable all enhancements. Enable this one, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, simply restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, restart it. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.